Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable secure boot on Asrock motherboard. To do this, first you'll need to open your BIOS, navigate to advanced mode in the top right corner of the screen. Inside we can go for a boot. Here first you'll need to enable a CSM, and to do that you also need to disable a fast boot. So make sure that the fast boot is disabled, then go for CSM, and here you can enable or disable it. In this case for me it's disabled because I don't have any external card installed on that motherboard, but you should find a switch right here to enable or disable it. Then to actually activate a secure boot we need to move to security options, then secure boot right here, and if you have CSM enabled you'll be able to activate or deactivate secure boot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.